Hey everyone, today we're diving into a delicious recipe that's going to bring a little excitement to your dinner table. We're making tender, flavorful Mongolian beef. This dish is not only mouthwatering but also super fun to make, so let's get started. First things first, let's prepare our beef. You want to start by slicing your meat into thin strips, about half an inch thick. This size is perfect for quick cooking and ensures every bite is coated with our amazing sauce. Today I'm using flank steak, but sirloin also works wonderfully. Remember to cut against the grain and at an angle to help tenderize the beef. Pro tip, chilling your beef in the freezer for about an hour beforehand makes it easier to cut nice and thin. Next, grab a bowl and add your sliced beef. We're going to mix in a few special ingredients to tenderize and flavor the meat. A sprinkle of baking powder, a dash of soy sauce, a splash of Chinese cooking wine, 3 teaspoons of cornstarch for that silky texture, and a dash of sesame oil. Massage these ingredients into the beef until every piece is nicely coated, then let it marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. This step is crucial for infusing all those flavors and getting that beef perfectly tender. While the beef is marinating, let's do some prep work. Finely dice 4 cloves of garlic and 1 red onion. I'm using 2 chunky spring onions today. Just 2 should do, but if yours are slightly smaller, you might want 4. Finely chop the whites and set the greens apart aside for garnish. Also have your finely diced ginger and 4 dried chillies ready to go. Once your beef has marinated, it's time to cook. Heat up a good amount of oil in your wok until it's really hot. While that's heating, coat your marinated beef in a 1/4 cup of cornstarch mixed with a bit of ground white pepper. This will give your beef that incredible crispy texture when fried. Add the beef to the hot oil in batches to avoid overcrowding the wok. Fry each batch for about 2 to 3 minutes until crispy and golden, then remove and drain. Using a strainer works best here. You might be wondering, whoa, this is too much. Can't we just cook the beef in the sauce? But trust me, this extra step is what makes the beef extra tasty. So I recommend not skipping it. With all your beef fried and set aside, let's clear the wok and add a fresh bit of oil. Toss in the white and light green parts of your spring onions, letting them sizzle before adding the red onions. Let them cook until they start to lightly brown. Oh, the aroma smells good. Next, add your ginger and chilies, stirring them around to release their flavors. Sprinkle in some brown sugar and watch it melt and blend with the other ingredients, creating a beautiful caramelized texture. Pour in the dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, a splash of water, and a bit of mirin. Bring everything to a boil and let it reduce until the sauce thickens and becomes rich. Finally, reintroduce your beef to the wok. Toss everything together so the beef is beautifully coated in the sauce. Turn off the heat and stir in your diced garlic for that last punch of flavor, and you're done. Let's plate up. Spoon some freshly cooked steamed rice onto your plate. Top it with the Mongolian beef and drizzle with a little extra sauce. Smells so good. Garnish with the green parts of your spring onions for a pop of color and freshness. And there you have it, folks. A stunning dish that's sure to impress at any meal. Easy, right? And absolutely delicious. Give that recipe a try and let me know how it turns out for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking and see you next time. Bye!